want no smoke with me. Then turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. My whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie.
Okay, doll, so this is what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you how my lash and makeup brush washer work. First, I'm going to be washing my lashes that I wore. As you guys will see, I have like glue and stuff on there. So here it is. And I'm going to be washing it. I have my water. And I also have some soap that I'm going to be using. So first, I'm just going to add my water in it. I don't want too much water. Then I'm going to put like 2 squirts of soap. 1, 2. Then I'm going to add my lashes. Oh my God. Look at this beauty. And then it's going to start washing. You know, you can hold your washer in your hand, washing, and while it's washing, it's like you don't want it to come out, so you want it to wash a little longer. So this holds, you can snap it right at the side. Well, I'm using my left hand, it's not working. So you can go like this and have the hose, and voila. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, baby. Look at that. That's amazing. Stop it. So I just let it wash for like a couple seconds and I'm gonna see how it is. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God. It feels so nice and it says nice, so soapy. But guys, that's how you will do this. And how you let out the water, I'll show you. Just put the hose down like this and you see the water running and the water will just run right out. Guys, this is amazing. And on my website, this is only $10. $10. I have a Labor Day sale going on and y'all don't want to miss it. So let me just rinse this off real quick. Let me just get some water in there. Let me just get some water up in there. Turn it back on again. That's it. And then I'll just let it out. I could probably still let it spin and let it out. Yeah, I think it's better while you're spinning it and you're letting it out so the soap and everything can come off your lash. And there it goes. It's spinning. So now it's drying your lashes. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so cool. Oh my God, y'all. It's drying the lashes. Oh, Lord, baby. Alright, so let me stop it. It should be dry. And voila. So I'm going to put it to dry. Guys, I'm going to be linking the website down below so you guys can check it out and cash out, because this sale is only going on until the 7th. And then they're back to full price again, baby. So cash out, baby. Push button. Whoa. Whoa. So dirty. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me let out the water so you guys can see how dirty this is. Put the water out. Look there. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. There's the water coming out. Oh my God. Look how dirty the water is. You don't even have to hold it if you don't want to hold it. Like, it will literally just like work itself. See how it's just spinning around in there without me holding it. I guess it will clean much better. So let's stop it. Let's stop it. Let's do a rinse check just to rinse it out. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this. The dirty brush. And now it's like pretty clean.